Hello, this is Ahmed Samir, and in this video we will review together the balance sheet statement of financial position, assets. The first category under assets is non-current assets, which contains property, plant and equipment, goodwill, other intangible assets, investments in associates, investments in equity instruments. The second category under assets is current assets, which contains inventories, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents, other current assets. Combining non-current assets and current assets, we will have total assets, liabilities. The first classification under liabilities is non-current liabilities, which contains long-term borrowings, deferred tax, long-term provisions. The second classification under liabilities is current liabilities, which contains trade and other payables, short-term borrowings, current portion of long-term borrowings, current tax payable, short-term provisions. Adding non-current liabilities and current liabilities, we get total liabilities. And finally, equity. Generally speaking, equity is not classified into current or non-current, as it is related to the going concern principle. Equity includes the following: equity attributable to owners of the parent, share capital, other reserves, retained earnings, non-controlling interest. Total liabilities and total equity are grouped together on one side, and this aspect must be equal to the total assets on the other side. Notice it, accounts on your balance sheet are permanent accounts. IAS1 does not specify the format of the statement of financial position, where assets can be presented current and then non-current or vice versa. And liabilities can be presented current and then non-current or vice versa. When an entity displays subtotals, these subtotals must consist of 1. Items consisting of amounts recognized and measured in accordance with international financial reporting standards. 2. To be presented and classified in a clear and understandable manner. 3. To be consistent from time to period. 4. They are not shown more prominently than subtotals and required totals. With this, we have finished reviewing the statement of financial position, and in the next video we will talk about the second statement, which is a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income.